In this lecture, I want to talk quickly about how to compare strings in Solidity. And in Solidity, it's a bit of a problem if you want to compare strings because you cannot compare them directly with the equals operator. So this doesn't work. It will throw you an error. Instead, you have to find another way of comparing them. And I found a lot of workarounds doing that. At the end, I found one very elegant solution. Now, let me show you what I mean. I'm here again in Remix, and I've opened the file example7 string comparison.solidity. You can find it also in our course repository. And I have a very simplistic contract, and you can already see there's an error, but let's talk quickly about the contract first. So the contract has one storage variable, which is a string, and it has one function, which is called isSimilar, which takes one function argument, the string to compare, and then basically what I wanted to do is I wanted to compare these two strings with the equals operator. Now the problem is that Solidity will throw an error here, and the error says, well, basically this one doesn't work with this data type. So we have to find a different kind of way to compare the strings. And I've seen all kinds of things where people are going creating bytes arrays and so on, but I found one very elegant solution, which is basically just building the KZAC hash, KZAC 256 hash of the string, and then by that just comparing the hashes of these two strings. And this works perfectly fine. So at the end, you're just comparing two hashes. That's the way to go, how to compare the strings in Solidity. And just remember that you cannot compare strings directly. You have to convert them in whatever you want to convert them to. And one of the ways to directly compare strings or compare strings in general is to build a hash.